Hi friends, today we are starting a number system. So here we will discuss about what are the types of numbers we have. First we will discuss about natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? The numbers that are used for counting are called as natural numbers. For counting purpose we use 1, 2, 3 and so on. So the minimum number here is 1 and maximum number it will go till infinity. Next we will learn about whole numbers. The counting numbers, if in addition to that, if 0 is added, we call it as whole numbers. So here the minimum number is 0 and maximum it will go to infinity. Next we introduce the numbers called integers here. The point here, the counting numbers with negative symbol and number 0, we call them as integers. It means that we have 0, we have positive numbers, we have negative numbers here. So combined we call them integers. If only positive numbers are taken, it is denoted by I plus. It means that only positive integers. If we take only negative numbers, we denote with I minus. Okay. So completely the integers are denoted by Z or I, and negative integers are called as I minus or Z minus, and positive integers are called as I plus or Z plus. Now we go to rational numbers. So rational numbers. Any number, if you can write in the form of P by Q or numerator divided by denominator, then they are called as rational numbers. But here we have one condition here, that numerator number and denominator number both should be integers. This is the condition for rational number. Any number that written in the form of P by Q are called as rational numbers, where P and Q are integers. Got it? So next we go for rational numbers. The numbers which are not rational numbers are called as irrational numbers. It means that we cannot write the irrational numbers in the format of P by Q. As I told you already, the P and Q are here in the rational number. P and Q are both are integers, whereas in the irrational numbers, so this cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Next, last we go for real numbers. The combination of both rational numbers and irrational numbers are called as real numbers. Here it is a mixture of both rational numbers, irrational numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. It is just naming such that it is easy to identify which numbers are this, whether they are rational. It's a naming of numbers. That's it. So, these types of numbers, if you take a normal scale, real life scale, if you take scale, how to identify these numbers in your scale? Okay. So the numbers is 1, 2, 3. So the big numbers which appears on your scale, they are called as natural numbers. Right? In addition to that, if you add this 0 for them, like this 1, 2, 3, if you add 0, then there comes under whole numbers. And if you introduce the negative numbers, say minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, in addition to 0, 1, 2, 3, then we call them as integers. So say like this is integers. And obviously, these are also called as positive integers, I plus. Only these are called as I minus negative integers. Okay? And in between, so in this case, in between, if you can identify points here exactly, then they are called as rational numbers. Okay? So in between, like this point, if you can find it exactly, then we call them as rational numbers. If you cannot point exactly, then they are called as irrational numbers. Understood? I mean to say, if I give you 1 by 2, what is 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So if I ask you to show this 0.5 on your scale, you will go here and you will find this is 0.5. Now if I give you some root 2, which is almost equal to 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4 like this. So if you try to identify on your scale, you go here 1.444, and it is not easy to identify exactly. So this is an example of irrational. This is an example of rational. So you can remember this scale method. See about complex numbers. The complex numbers are nothing but, so you have seen the scale method now. This is scale. On back side of scale, you have something which it is invisible to you. If you take a scale, you will normally plot like this. But for anything, there is something backside, like imaginary. You have to imagine this because it is not in real world. So these numbers, if you include, then we call it as complex numbers. Understood? So if you include this imaginary plane, then this numbers comes under complex plane. That we'll discuss further when I discuss about complex numbers. Fine. So it is consists of like this: 2 plus 3i. Because this imagination is there, we use I here. I. Next, even numbers. The counting numbers. Counting numbers called, what are counting numbers? Natural numbers. Natural numbers, if they are divided by 2, then we call it as even numbers. The smallest even number is 2. Okay. Next, if it is not divisible by 2, it means that if it is giving the some remainder, then we call them as odd numbers. The smallest odd number is again 1. Now, we'll go to prime numbers. The numbers is divisible with itself and 1, then we call them as prime numbers. So if you take here 11, either you can divide with 1 or you can divide with 11. Other than these two numbers, you don't have any other number that can divide this 11. Those numbers are called as prime numbers. And it starts with 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay? And smallest odd prime number is 3. Odd number and prime number. This is even number and prime number. Got it? So these are called as prime numbers. And exactly opposite of prime numbers are called as composite numbers. Composite. There are 4, 6, 8, 9. And one point you have to remember here is all these even number, odd number, prime numbers, composite numbers are applicable for only natural numbers. Got it? Okay. Please subscribe to my channel Connecting Minds for more videos, and please share link with your friends. Thank you.